fix Bluetooth not working on Android device. First of all, you have to restart the device. Hold on the power button on your device and then slide towards restart or reboot and your glitches or the simple glitches will be fixed. If not, then you need to turn off Bluetooth for a while and then you need to wait for a second and turn it on back and try or see whether your Bluetooth not working on Android has been fixed or not. If not, you need to check for Bluetooth device drains and charge. Ensure your Bluetooth device is fully charged and within range up to 10 meter. Make sure that the Bluetooth device you are using to connect is compatible with your device. If it is not compatible, you need to change it. So, by following all these steps, you can easily fix Bluetooth not working on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.